Successful weight loss means losing weight and keeping it off. People who shed pounds rapidly tend to put them all back on. Before you can set out to reach a healthy weight, you must understand how important it is to adopt a whole lifestyle change. In this video we'll tell you how to make this transition. A great way to lose weight is to start doing HIIT cardio. HIIT is short for high-intensity interval training. This training is great because you drastically reduce the amount of time you spend in the gym, and this method is proven to be more effective than regular cardio. If you want to make a lifestyle change that will help you to lose weight now and keep it off in the future, switch from drinking coffee to green tea. The caffeine in coffee can cause you to retain water and become dehydrated. The antioxidants in green tea not only help you feel better, but they can also aid in maintaining a healthy weight. If you have a blender, you can make some terrific treats that will help you lose weight. Blended drinks are a great way to incorporate fresh fruits into your diet, a tasty, high-fiber way to drink your breakfast. Just combine any mixture of your favorite fruits in season. Berries, oranges, bananas, and peaches are all good choices, with a little OJ added and/or dry milk powder or yogurt for a protein boost, and you will have a wonderfully refreshing quick breakfast that gives energy to your day and gets your motor running. Use less sauces and dressings in your foods. Sauces and dressings are often made with oil or contain lots of sugar. Drowning your green salad in dressing or smothering your baked potato in sour cream adds a lot of fat and calories. You can try using substitutes, such as non-fat sour cream, but you should also experiment with more spices to flavor your food. Eat breakfast every day to help you slim down. In general, people who eat breakfast weigh less than those who do not. Because you have not had anything to eat since before you went to bed, by morning your body has started into a fasting mode. Breakfast the fast breaks that cycle and keeps your metabolism normalized. If you go another 4 or more hours without eating, your body begins to enter starvation mode and you are much more likely to overindulge on a high-calorie snack or a huge lunch. To keep your nutritious diet in check, don't feel that you need to restrict any particular food. By doing that, you are going to crave that food even more, and that will throw your diet completely off track. Just eat the not-so-healthy food in moderation and you will be fine. Again, the key to real weight loss is a lifestyle adjustment. Apply what you've just learned to lose weight and then maintain it. Use this video as a compass if you ever lose your way on your weight loss journey. For more info on weight loss, click the link in the description below. Click the like button and subscribe below to get more free tips and tricks to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle.